Welcome inside this 2023 American Eagle coach that is here on the lot at Motorhomes of Texas. I love the interior of this unit. We just received this coach fresh here on the lot, and it is an honor to get to share it with you. When we walk into this stunning interior, I hope you can appreciate the really classic and luxury details that you will notice from the front to the end of this coach. Being a 2023 model, up here in the driver's area, we have a lot of the latest technology, safety features that make driving this coach a dream. As you move into the living space, I love the lush feel of the upholstery. We do have the theater seating on the passenger side, and then across from that we will find the sleeper sofa and the TV lift. It really makes this nice, expansive, and welcoming interior. Now, American Eagle did not expend any expense when they outfitted this coach with all electric appliances. I really like these classic and sleek features that you'll see with your multi-purpose oven and microwave, along with some induction cookware. I really love these quartz countertops that they have, and with a push of a button, I am extending my cook space with this island feature. The farmhouse sink blows me away. How they managed to fit such wonderful home amenities into a home on wheels astounds me each and every time. When I move across this coach on the passenger side, I do like the feel of this dinette seating area. It's spacious. We have a window here where you can relax, enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning and check out the views outside. American Eagle outfitted this unit also with a nice, smart, full-size residential refrigerator. So this is the Samsung. It's built head to toe with all wonderful features that you get to take residential life out on the road with you. Moving from the front to the rear of this coach, I appreciate how American Eagle took the time to make sure that they were utilizing every inch of this coach for its space. They even took, when you had your stackable washer and dryer, and added some extra storage space. This midship lavatory that we have is huge by my standards. Moving into this master suite, we do have a king-size adjustable bed, and again, plenty of overhead storage for items that you may need. Behind our TV here is what I would call a little secret storage compartment. So it does have a safe in there, but it allows you to just, hide maybe some other valuables or things that you need. Again, take into account all of this storage that you will see throughout the rear of the coach. Now, the master bath is beautiful. Take a look at the double sinks. I love the lighted mirrors, and I'm really impressed by the shower here. It's got a step in there, lots of built-ins, and one of those who travels, I really like to take into account how they have placed fixtures in here which increase your towel storage capacity. They're just those little creature comforts of home that American Eagle made sure that they got into this coach. Now, the coach was built on a Freightliner chassis and does come with a 6-speed Allison transmission. It is pushed by a 605 Cummins diesel and has a beautiful exterior paint job. So I invite you to come in and check this out. We have this coach priced at $524,500. For the quality, its newness, all the creature comforts, these luxury features that you see on the inside, and the quality of the construction of this coach on the outside, I think you will agree with me that this is a coach that's priced to move. So we invite you to check out this 2023 American Eagle here at Motorhomes of Texas.